Extraordinary Dashcam 1080p, simultaneous recording with high resolution, high frame rate has both smoother and sharper image as well as clearly recording road signs during the day/night. High definition video quality for you. Don't miss anything, the road can provide you with the frighting, the amazing, or the unbelievable. With the built-in manual recording mode and still image capture, iZEEKER GD100 Dashcam is always ready to snap the extraordinary moments of your journey. Advanced night vision, the combination of f1.8 aperture, WDR and HDR technology ensures the clarity of images at night. Eliminating the need for an auxiliary light source even in low-light environments, this dash camera can obtain color-accurate images with ease. Seamless loop recording, unlike GoPro, the newly recorded video on car camera will automatically overwrite the oldest unlocked videos to ensure the memory card has enough space to save the latest recordings and emergency videos. All locked videos are saved until user deletes. SD card not included. 32 GB to 128 GB Class 10 micro SD card is recommended. 170 degrees super wide angle. The front dash cam uses a 170 degrees ultra wide angle lens to cover more lanes. This will minimize blind spots to assure recording of all events without fail, captures more details, and provides conclusive evidence in the event of an accident. Emergency incident recording, built-in G-sensor and active impact monitoring system. This dashcam can automatically detect sudden shakes and will start emergency locked recording to preserve files, offering you the ultimate peace of mind. 24/7 parking mode, with the help of a mini hardwire kit not included, the camera can monitor your car even while it's parked. A silent witness you can depend on. This product is suitable for car with cigarette lighter. If your car does not have a cigarette lighter, please contact iZEEKER support to help you solve the problem. Withstands extreme temperatures, precision made with premium materials, the dash camera will operate flawlessly in extreme environments. From a harsh Minnesota winter to the searing heat of an Arizona summer. 4F to 140F. Customer satisfaction guarantee. If you have any questions regarding the front camera or accessories, the iZEEKER Dashcam team will rapidly respond with quick and helpful assistance. Your satisfaction is our #1 goal. Top reviews from the United States. Great camera to use. This car camera is great to use so far. It's small and doesn't take much space. Also very easy to install. It has a wide clear range of view which is definitely helpful to protect the car. The main screen and the buttons are easy to operate. What's more important, the price is surely reasonable.